Dare to be the original you again. Remember who you are. In a world selling fake identities, being yourself isn't just brave, it's revolutionary. I double dare you to be you, for real. What if everyone cranked their vibe to max? Yes, it matters because we're all stuck on the same staticky channel. Ever feel like Neo dodging bad vibes like they're on slow-mo? It's time to hack the matrix and turn danger into your dance partner. Let's tango with the turmoil and salsa through the stress. Time to tune in together and turn up the harmony. Now that's a party worth joining. Here's the hack. Kickstart with a self-love reboot. Notice the care around you and amp up to your highest vibe. When life throws its glitches, remember, love isn't just nice, it's the ultimate cheat code. Ever feel like your Magix is playing hide and seek though? Well, it's just biding its time for the perfect storm to unleash its brilliance. Embrace the thunder, become the rainbow. Unfurl those unique wings and hop on the love train. Life's a journey with each station offering lessons or blessings. Glide gracefully through life's storms. Once you master thriving authentically amidst adversity, you become the rainbow in someone else's cloud. Light up the gloom, dance beneath life's rainbows. Who says you can't have fun on a rainy day? If I can master life's tug of war between light and dark, so can you. Learn to navigate the shadows and shine with your magic's light. Once you're a pro, cosmic pranks and shadowy shenanigans won't hold you back anymore. Keep soaring with clear vision among the stars. You're abso-effing-lutely amazing. Nature's splendor and cosmic order await your natural gaze. Unveil them by embracing your soul's journey. From hellish lows to heavenly highs, every step is part of the grand adventure. Who will you choose to be in our Creator's magnificent design? Drop your comment below.